Okay, this is the boot menu. From here we have network, we have SD, HDD, we have SATA, ODD, and this is network boot. I'll take the network boot because I'll be installing from my server. So this is the boot menu. Inside this, the IP address has been displayed, so it is trying to read from the server now. So if you want to go in, these are the various systems which are on the server. So I take the second one, but I need to install in French. So I do the same thing with the other machines to go through the boot menu. So with this method, it's very easy to install about 20 laptops or desktops at the moment, and it does it less than 20 minutes. The system is done. So I'll go inside the setup menu. Language is French. I'll enter my password, username and password. Then from there I'll choose the system I want to use. This is a Lenovo L3, so I'll use L340. It's compatible. So I prepare my hard drive for installation. When it is set, I should be able to format or to create other partitions. If I wish to install it directly like that, to do the partition later on. But if not, I can just come here, I partition the hard drive, I create a partition. It will create the partition. From there I'll choose the partition I need to install on. So I'm taking out the partition so that you should be able to see how we can manage it. This is the same hard drive again. We are still back at our 1 gig. We can partition it to 450 gig each. Or partition, it will come up with subfolders. Those are reserved folders that you can the machine is using to run during installation. So this is a drive C. The other one down has not been allocated, so we create a partition there. It's okay now, so we install on the first one, and the one we install on will become automatically drive C. Come this way, the same. You want to install in English, we do the same.